Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you with our afternoon update, guys. Hopefully everybody's having a beautiful, blessed day. Much love to all of my people out there on YouTube Live. I just want to say God bless you all. I love you guys, and hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Looks like today we're having a pretty good day in crypto. Bitcoin is up, everything is looking pretty green. Dogecoin is up, so things are looking pretty uppity up. Hey, we got Elon Musk just had a tweet, and this is a really positive tweet. We're going to jump into that, and just goes to show that Elon Musk he's been pretty quiet when it comes to Dogecoin, but he's tweeting up a storm right now, and he's tweeting in reply to Billy Marcus. He's talking about nodes and stuff, so you can still even though we see that Elon Musk has kind of reduced his numbers of tweets about Dogecoin, we can still see that he's engaged and he's still positive and he's still following the action. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for educational entertainment purposes. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and you guys have to do your own risk management as always. Remember, never believe everything that you hear from people, from influencers and everybody online. You got to really do your own risk management. Check out the white paper of every project, and just look at the fundamentals. Look at who's behind the project. Look at some of the history. Remember, before you're buying something, zoom out. Wendy Trendy is your friend, and see just the movement, and also look at the volumes and this and that. So, and also, as I always say, never invest in anything that's younger than 2 years. That's just the way I do it. This is not financial advice, of course. This is just me offering my opinion, telling what I do, guys. So, with that being said, we got lots to talk about. We've got some really information, a stock to flow plan that just proves that the bull run, the party is just getting started, guys. And we can definitely be seeing huge upside to Bitcoin, huge upside to cryptocurrency. We could be seeing, huge Dogecoin coming in, $1, $2, $3. Anything is possible right now because, we've never seen the likes of this bull run before, and it's echoing 2017. Looks like we could have double tops, but I don't think we're going to have a blow off top where we just go and suddenly crash down. That's not going to happen. I think we're going to go up. We're going to have a small correction. Then, end of November, December, we're going to see the altcoin season happen. And then it's not just going to be ka-chunk, we're going to go down. I think we could see a slow, sideways action, something really, the bear market. It's not going to be a huge crash like we've seen before. I think because the institutions are weighing in, they're not, the billionaires and the institutions, they're not going to let Bitcoin crash down to $25,000. I mean, when we hit the bear winter, we could see maybe worst price for Bitcoin, maybe $25,000, $35,000 area. Maybe going down from 100, 150 down to 35. That could happen. So you guys just have to know when to time the tops and know when to take your profits and know when to sit on the sidelines with stable coins. So guys, keep watching these videos, and I'm going to give you indications, and I will let you know when I'm going to be doing those things, when I'm going to be selling my Bitcoin, when I'm going to be sitting on the sidelines with stable coins. So I'll keep you updated. So all you got to do, guys, is just keep watching OG, keep watching the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification. That's really important. And I just want to say much love to all of you guys out on YouTube land. Thank you for watching this channel. Without you, my community, my followers, my subscribers, the people that are supporting me, this channel wouldn't be possible without your love and your integrity. And God bless all of you. Please go down there and do me a favor. And show some more love, and smash the likes and the subscribe, and don't forget to comment. These three factors: subscribing, liking, and commenting is really important, and it just goes to show how much you love and how much you care. And guys, speaking about love and caring, we got new subscribers in the house. These people subscribed like moments ago, so I just want to give a big shout out to all these beautiful people out there: Dre, Charles, Ramisha, R2 English, Paul, Adirham, and Christian in the house, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being beautiful, and thank you for just being part of this community. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. So let's jump into content right now. So we can see right now, that Bitcoin Archive is saying Bitcoin bull market is just chilling. The party starts when the 200-day moving average turns green. All right, yellow, then orange. So we're still in the blue. So we got a long time to go. So this just goes to prove that we can see that in 2014 we saw the top of the market here when it was red, top of the market when it was red. So right now we're still blue. We're not even turned green and yellow, then orange and red. So you can see from this that the top of the bull run is not even here right now for Bitcoin. So you guys should not be panicking. A lot of people are saying, that 100,000, 135,000 is conservative. We're saying, we got people talking like Tech Dev is saying 390. We've got Kathy Woods saying 400,000. We got a lot of people saying that this thing could go absolutely to the moon, guys. So, I'm starting to believe it. I'm starting to see that we could be going over 150 $200,000 pretty soon, guys. So this is really a cool time to be alive. It's an absolutely fantastic time to be alive. Let's jump into Elon's tweet right now in a second. So keep watching. We'll get into Elon's tweet. We also have this. You can see that back in 2021. You can see this fractal here, 20K breakout exponential. So if we take this and we move it over to here, it's looking pretty much the same. And if this plays out, this lands us at 140,000. So if we take the same fractal overlay here, and you can see the formation here, we're right here, and lay it over, we could be seeing, based on this calculator, 140. So there's so much upside, so much, positive euphoria out there when it comes to Bitcoin. But the interesting thing is, if you look at Google Trends, the amount of search from retail investors about Bitcoin is still lagging behind. So we're seeing that a lot of the price action, price movement moving forward is because of institutions are FOMOing in, and we're seeing that the amount of supply on exchanges is limited and getting low, and the amount of hodlers is just going to the moon, guys. So this is just more evidence that this bull run is not even close to being over, and we got a long way to go, guys. So let's jump into Elon Musk. Just tweeted out, this is SHIBA Nakamoto. This is Billy Marcus, right? And he said, if you don't run a Dogecoin node, you can see that right there. And Elon Musk, he tweeted about 38 minutes ago, and he said exactly right. So you can see that even though Elon Musk is not tweeting a lot about Dogecoin or crypto in general, I remember Gary Gensler kind of told him they gotta slow it down there, buddy. So he's doing that, but you can see that he's still in the game. He's still got his eye on the ball. And this Dogecoin Foundation with the Vitalik in the house and Elon Musk in the house too, we're going to see huge things for Dogecoin. We're going to see the Ethereum Doge bridge. That's going to happen at Q1, Q2 at the latest, and that's going to coincide with the Ethereum 2.0. When that happens, we're going to have staking, we're going to have NFT, we're going to have a whole bunch of catalysts that's going to help propel Dogecoin higher and higher and higher. So it's a really great time to be alive. You should not be worried about Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin is still looking pretty good, and things are looking really fantastical in the house, guys. So some other tweets that are coming out right now, you can see that according to Crypto Slam, metaverse NFT sales have exceeded 110. So this is all the NFT and cryptoverses. So you can see we got Mechaverse, Art Blocks, Mutant Cats, CryptoPunks, Bored Apes. So you can still see there's a lot of interest, a lot of hype still in NFTs, and people are still going nuts in terms of NFTs, guys. So you can see the NFT collection ranking by sales volume. You still Axie Infinity still has a huge amount of NFTs. So what I think is going to be, we've had NFTs, we've had DeFi, and gaming and metaverse. They're going to be really huge, guys. They're absolutely going to be, they're starting to develop there, and they're going to explode. So you guys need to check out some of the gaming universe, like Axie Infinity, YGG, all of these kind of gaming tokens. They're absolutely going to explode soon, guys. This is not financial advice, and if you're loving this content like I love you guys, please go down there and likey in the house, guys. And hopefully you like it. Just I bring these small chunks and tidbits of news, and it's really great news. Some other interesting news is the SEC, Gary Gensler's team. They're looking at modernizing filing, looking at modernizing the filing system, and they're also going to introduce fees, a new fee system, and this is going to be heightened around the tightened crypto regulation looms. Because you can see that right now the SEC filings are pretty much done in an analog way. So hopefully they're going to digitalize the way that you can file stuff and do stuff online. And hey, you never know, maybe they're going to accept crypto payments or for filing fees. If you like that idea, smash it likes. You never know. Maybe they'll realize that, hey, crypto, let's accept cryptocurrency for filing fees. That would be huge. Now some other this is really big news, so buckle up, guys. We can see that new ticker and ARC filing show the Bitcoin futures ETF approval is imminent. So, according to the Bloomberg senior ETF analyst, there are good signs that the Bitcoin ETF will soon be approved. According to ARK Investments, filings for Bitcoin ETF future will be assigned a ticker, and Valkyrie updates its own ETF proposals. So the interesting thing here is that, Cathy Wood's ARK Investment, they apply for ETF, and there's been a ticker symbol assigned, and the ticker symbol is ARKA ticker, while Valkyrie has assigned its BTC futures prospectus with the BTF ticker. So we've seen that ARK ARK Investments and Valkyrie both have ticker symbols assigned right now. So this is very, very bullish. You know, noting that the assigned ARKA ticker was another good sign. So I believe that with these ticker symbols assigned to their ETFs right now, we're going to see a huge explosion of Bitcoin. We're going to see crypto absolutely go to the moon. And I think this the ETF being approved is just a matter of time. Now there's some negative FUD. There is some negative FUD that's circulating right now, where people are saying, "Oh no, the ETF is going to be delayed to next year." These are Debbie Downers. These people are not telling you the facts. But you know, the fact that ARK Hills and Valkyrie have their ETF ticker symbol assigned. Ticker symbol. I'm going to get a tongue right here. It's really good news. So this just goes to show that I think it's going to happen. And you know, Gary Gensler, he's pretty much pro Bitcoin. He likes Bitcoin. He always talks about Bitcoin, and and he also says that Ethereum and Bitcoin will not come under the regulatory broker definition. He's already said that, and they will not come under SEC regulation as well. He's already said that. So Ethereum and BTC seem to be some outliers out there, and this is really cool news, and it's really bullish news in the house, guys. Some other news that's coming out right now, we can say you've seen that Shiba Inu's Twitter popularity briefly overtakes that of Bitcoin and Doge. So I've been showing you some data that supports that. A lot of people are still looking at Shiba Inu, but Bitcoin is coming back, but right now the number one popular thing that people are looking for is Solana. A lot of people are looking at Solana and Polkadot. You can see the searches and sentiment on Twitter are actually increasing for that as well. So let's take a look at the fear and greed. Fear and greed is still at 70. It's unchanged, guys. It's still not too late to pick up some crypto on the dips, and we're still seeing a little some projects still dipping, but overall we're seeing that Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins are actually coming up. Even though the Bitcoin dominance is still high, hovering between 44 and 45, we're still seeing that the altcoins are starting to make some moves in a positive direction. Let's take a look at the rainbow chart in the house. So rainbow chart right now, we're about to enter into FOMO intensifies, but we're really seeing that the retail FOMO has really not started. We're seeing the beginnings of institutional FOMO. But once the retail FOMO starts, it's going to push Bitcoin and the other altcoins to the moon, guys. So, buckle up. Now's the time to, what I'm doing is I'm still, like I said, I'm rebalancing my portfolio. I've done that. I sold some of my Avalanche, and I bought Bitcoin yesterday. So, I'm doing pretty good. And remember, I did tell you that I sold 50% of my Solana, and I bought Bitcoin at 45,000. So I'm still doing pretty good. I'm up about 12K on my Bitcoin purchase. And so you guys need to look at, you need to consider rebalancing your portfolio. I've balanced mine. This is what I'm doing. This is not financial advice, of course. Guys, don't forget to smash it like you like it. So let's take a look at the market cap in the house right now. The market cap is 2.41 trillion. So it's looking good right now. Looking good. We're up almost over 0.5% in terms of market cap. So hopefully we can hit 2.5 trillion. That would be peachy keen. That would be huge, guys. I'd love to see that. Let's take a look at the Doge right now. So Doge is doing good. It's at 23.82, and today we did hit a high of 24.53. So hopefully we can recover those highs, and this resistance at 23 has now become support, so it's looking okay. So hopefully Doge will retest the 25-cent level soon, and if we can go past the 25-cent level, so we have this kind of like a bull flag here. This is typically positive, so it looks like we're kind of breaking out a little bit from that perspective. But keep in mind, guys, that when I give price predictions, remember, volatility plays a part, news plays a part, social sentiment. So remember, TIA is not an exact science. So if I say, it's going to break to 25 cents and it doesn't, don't beat me up in the comments, guys, because right now this is a bull flag. It's quite positive. The structure is positive. Where it looks like we're breaking up to the upside on the daily right now. But once again, we could get rejected, we could get some bad news, and we could be pushed down again to like the 19-cent level. So right now the structure is looking good. I'm not going to give any predictions because every time I give predictions, I always get beaten up. Okay, so I'm not a fortune teller. I think that we have a 60% chance of moving up to the 25-cent level, and a 40% chance moving to the downside. So that's all I'm going to say for that, because I don't want to get in trouble. So right now we're seeing that the Shiba Inu is really just range bound. It's kind of just trading. It's kind of trading sideways inside this range, and the top side of the range is about 30, 31, and the bottom side is around 25. So you're going to see that Shiba Inu is just gonna trade in this kind of direction, and it's probably going to continue doing that probably for the next couple days. So let me get my face out of there so you can look at the time frames. So we're probably going to see Shiba Inu basically be doing that, and then you're going to be looking at probably from this perspective to range between 1 to 3%. So that's what you're going to see. You're going to see a minus 1 to 3. You're going to see like a 3% range inside this box, guys. So that's where I see Shiba Inu going. I could be wrong. We could suddenly have some really big catalyst, some really positive news, and we could break to the upside. But keep in mind that we also have some resistance for Shiba Inu around this area as well. So, but this is key resistance that we need to break out right now. So just guys, keep an eye on that. Don't panic. So let's take a look at Dogecoin, not Dogecoin, Bitcoin. I got Doge. I love the Doge. And remember, a lot of people are saying, "Oh, OG, why are you covering the SHIB?" And I thought you loved the Doge. I love the Doge. Full disclaimer: I do not hold any Shiba Inu coins, but I'm covering it. One, because it's the top 15 projects. One, and two, a lot of my users and subscribers are asking me to cover it. So I've got to do what my community wants, and I need to listen. And a lot of people are saying that they want me to cover it. Also, some people are starting to ask me to cover Saitama, so I might take a look at Saitama as well. Because I've got more than 53,000 subscribers here, and I got to listen to the community and do what the community wants. I can't just be doing my thing. I've got to give back, and I got to listen to the community. So if you love it when I listen to community, smash the likes, guys. I love to hear that. I love you, beautiful people. Thank you for watching, guys. I love it. So we're seeing that right now. Bitcoin is looking pretty good right now. It's at 58,000. This is the one-day Bitfinex chart, guys, and we're looking at 58,000. That's fantastic. So it looks like on this chart, this is the weekly chart. So it looks like on the weekly chart we've hit a 58,488. So right now we're at 58,056. So this, I'm pretty impressed. Not too shabby, guys. So if you're Bitcoin holders and if you did rebalance your portfolio, if you did consider rebalancing your portfolio, I balanced mine yesterday. And also about 4 weeks ago, I did rebalance. Remember when I told you that I sold Solana and stocked up on Bitcoin? So if you did some rebalancing yesterday, you would reap the rewards, because yesterday we saw that Bitcoin was at 54,000. I mean, I did pick up some more Bitcoin at 54,000 when I sold my Avalanche. I sold some Avalanche. I was in profit, and I picked up Bitcoin at 54,000. So I'm pretty happy that I rebalance my portfolio. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's only for education and entertainment purposes. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So right now, if you look at the Binance chart, this is a Binance 4-hour, we're still seeing that the Bitcoin is at 57,984. So it's looking pretty good. Now we have the psychological resistance at $60,000. So hopefully we can get past that pretty soon. That's going to be pretty peachy keen. I think we're going to do that because right now Bitcoin is showing a lot of positive momentum, guys. A lot of positive momentum, and we broke out of this this bull flag exactly as it predicted. We went straight up. Yeah, we got a little bit of rejection, but the overall pattern is pretty bullish, guys. So hopefully this will continue, and I'm pretty happy. Ethereum right now is also looking pretty good. It's at $3,629, and it looks like it's once again it went up to 37,000, got rejected, and it's attempting to do that again. So it's trying to break. So we have some downward sloping resistance on this descending triangle here. So it did break out of that, got rejected, in this tight little pattern here. So hopefully that Ethereum will continue to break out, and hopefully we can start to retest the 3,700 level right here, because we've been rejected a number of times, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So we've been 5 times, 6 times. So we've been rejected 6 times. So hopefully, the 7th time is a lucky charm. We can get past that. So it's okay, guys. Don't panic. Ethereum's looking pretty good, and ADA is just right now. It's really range bound. It's going to be range bound between the 215, 217 area, 215 area, and top of this at 236. So actually, let me just adjust that a little bit down. I can just adjust it. Let me get adjusted. It should be more like 215. Yeah, you can see the sub support right there. Yeah, right there. That's where we want it. So yeah, around about 215. So you're going to see that ADA is just going to be kind of range bound inside this channel, similar to what Shiba Inu is doing, and you're just going to see it kind of doing this kind of thing. And then hopefully we get a breakout to the upside pretty soon. So that's where I see ADA going for the balance of the week, guys. To probably the 17th or so. I'm just going to keep doing that. And looks like Solana is attempting to break out of this channel again, and it keeps butting its head against this resistance at 15471, so 155, and it keeps getting rejected. It's getting rejected a lot. If we just zoom up a little bit in there, you can see that there's a lot of rejection around the 155 area. See here, 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 and I'm really hoping we can get past that, because we really need to take ourselves and get ourselves up, and we need to get in here, and then after we're in here, hopefully we can be range bound for a while and then move on up again, guys, because that's what we really need Solana to do. Solana really needs to make some moves in that general scenario, because if we stay here, eventually we're going to get rejected and end up going back down here. So we need to move on up. So come on, Solana, let's get it. And Avalanche in the house. Avalanche is starting to pick up again. It looks like there's a little bit of a W pattern forming here. So here, you can see it here, and not quite. It looks like a bit of a W pattern forming here. This is the neck. This is approximate neckline here. So hopefully this will take us up to here, guys. Hopefully we'll get above this descending line here, and hopefully we can get past up there. So keep an eye on that. It's touch and go, but we might be able to see that Solana will break up and end up somewhere in this region around about 58, 59. So hopefully that will happen. That would be really good, guys. I'd love to see that. And let's take a look at the market caps, 2.43 trillion, and the volumes are pretty good. It's almost 100 billion. It's 99.54, and Bitcoin dollars is still at 45, still way too high for my liking. So hopefully it comes down. But overall, we're not having too much of a bad day. It's a pretty good day overall. I'm pretty happy about that. You guys should be happy. Once again, Bitcoin is just defying the odds. It's up 3%. That's at 58,078. And Ethereum is coming back. It's actually outperforming Bitcoin right now, and that's what it should be doing. So hopefully that will send a signal to all of the other altcoins to start making a move. And we see that Ethereum is up 3.62%, and that's at $3,630. So that's pretty good, guys. ADA, BNB is also coming back. It's $466, and that's up 1.31%. And ADA is trying to come back. It's almost at 2%. It's at $2.17. And Solana is just turned green, and that's at $149. Polkadot is on fire, and we talked about the parachain auctions that are going to start in November and December 9th, so that's really bullish. And then also they have the WAN chain, which is going to allow interoperability between Polkadot and Ethereum chain, so that's pretty good news, guys. So if you're holding a DOT, congratulations. I've been holding DOT forever. I love DOT. Doge is up. Yeah, my Doge is up, and it's at 3.55%, and it's at 237. I think we'll get ourselves hopefully back up to 25 cents. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu is down 3.64%. It's at a bunch of zeros at 29. And the Uni is up too, and I expect Uni and all of the DEXs to be up because of the Binance fallout as well. And we're seeing Luna is down. Luna. Luna's giving me a headache. I'm holding Luna. It's I'm still in profit, but not where I was like a week ago. So come on, Luna, get going. Avalanche, it's up slightly right now. Algorand, some people are asking me what I think about Algorand. I still like Algorand. I think it's it's still going to make some moves. I think we could go up to about $3 on Avalanche. Matic, I always love Matic. I'm a long lover of Matic. I'm holding strong. Atom is also up right now. VET is doing well. It's up 9%. I love VET. VET is one of my long-term plays. It's supply chain management token and cryptocurrency. So I love it. And let's take a look at PancakeSwap. I like PancakeSwap. You guys should check out PancakeSwap. Go to PancakeSwap, go to the syrup pools, because PancakeSwap, they're offering like 77 point APY on staking. So check it out, guys. So you're gonna love it. I love it. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. I got 2,615 people following on Twitter. Yeah, get to Twitter. And I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for being here, guys. I really appreciate it. And you made it to the end. Congratulations, you guys made it. So I just love my beautiful community out there. Don't forget to show more love. Go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, and leave a comment, guys. Tell me how I'm doing. I love it. I love it. And don't forget to check out my Linky Winkies. My Linky Winkies. Remember, become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee, guys. If you're in an area that doesn't support super chats because of geolocation, you can go to www.kofi.com, Crypto Squad, and you can also buy a coffee. And remember, all the coffees, all the patrons, all of that stuff goes to charity. You can go back and watch my Doge doing only good every day video, and you can see how we give the proceeds of this to charity, guys. I love it. And don't forget, you can also find my link to my merch down there. Also, I've got an NFT collection. Also, check out the platforms I like as well. I think they're, go check that out. Remember, this video is absolutely not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Everything is purely my opinion and for educational purposes only. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to check out my merch. I got my hats, I got my hoodies, got my hoodie in the house, and don't forget to check out my polo shirt, and don't forget to get the most famous, the product that everybody loves. It's the mug. The mug is filled with joy, it's filled with happiness. Also got water bottles, guys, and I got the backpack of the backpack. Carry your love, carry your belongings in your backpack. So get the mug, guys. I love the mug. I just love the mug because when you buy clothes as a gift, it becomes difficult, so the mug makes a really perfect and awesome gift, guys. And one final thing, don't forget to check out my wife's channel, Zen Music, and go there and subscribe. If you subscribe, leave a note that you come from the OG's channel. I'll give you a big shout out, guys. So that brings to the end of this video, and with that being said, I just want to say thank you very much, guys. I really mean that. I mean that. And with this channel, this whole thing would not be possible without my beautiful community out there. Every day that I do this, I think about all of you out there. And I just want to say God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you for being part of the OG evolution in the house. And I've learned so much from all of you. When I read your beautiful comments, I learn a lot, and I take it to heart. And hopefully you guys love the content, and please smash the likes and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. God bless each and everyone. God bless you, and God bless you all out there. Be well, be safe, and guys, spread the positive vibe. You and you out there, spread the positive vibe. Spread the positive vibe. I want you to be positive. You can feel the OG touching you and bringing you the positive vibes. I love it, guys. God bless you all. Go with God. Be with God. Walk with God. See you in the next one, guys. I love you all to death. Take care, guys. Love it, love it, love it. Be well, be well. I love it, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Peace out.